YouTube, what's going on? This is your brother Johnny from Dudecancut TV. Welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to talk about probably my favorite clipper that's out right now. That could be a little controversial, but this is my channel and this is my opinion. So it is what it is. And today we're going to talk about the Saber clipper. I know I'm a little late to the party. This clipper came out around October of last year, and I've been using it since then. And I've had a couple times I wanted to shoot a video, but I just kept using them. I wanted to actually use this thing for some months so I can give y'all a really, really good review. Not just, use them for a couple weeks and then give y'all a review. But yo, this clipper is goated, in my opinion. Let's get to the intro.
Dude, can you cut? You say you can cut. That's what your IG say, bro.
All right, so one of my favorite things I love about this clipper is by far the blade. The Echo blade is one of the best blades out right now. Shout out to Stylecraft. Y'all really did y'all thing with this. And because y'all know I'm a super fan of the Saber trimmer, I still think it's the best trimmer out right now, in my opinion. I have not tried the Tune 45 joint. I haven't tried the Wall, either. I'm gonna try those soon. But yeah, man. So I'm gonna go over some of the specs, and we're gonna see how they cut, man. So this clipper came out, like I said, in October of 2024, and I've been using it since then. And it's the box right here. I don't need to unbox it. Y'all know what this stuff comes with. I'm talking to barbers, right? So I don't need to do all of that. I'm sure most of you already have this clipper already and seen some reviews, but it says high torque, low vibration, brushless DC motor, runs at 7,200 RPMs, offering more powerful, efficient, and quiet cutting. Now, one of my favorite things is this Echo blade, premium DLC Echo fixed blade with thinner and deeper ridges for louder crunch. Stylecraft, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you that you are listening to barbers and that y'all know we love the crunch, man. The crunch, you can see, you can hear and feel what's coming off the head. It's a really beautiful thing to cut with. So this is my favorite clipper right now. This is what I'm using. This along my detachables and a couple other joints. But let's talk about the battery. Lithium ion battery delivers a 2.5-hour cordless runtime, 120 minutes of charge. So I think the battery life could be, the battery life is good. It's 2.5 hours. You have a standing charger, it comes with that. You put it on the charger when you're not using it. It's great. I haven't had any issues with the battery. It feels like it's longer than 2.5 hours because there's been days I've used it literally all day and didn't charge it till the end of the day. It comes with guards, comes with a 0, comes with a, comes with a 1. What comes with 0, comes with a 1, 1.5, and a 2. And that's it, man. This is the clipper. It's very, very sexy. Very sexy, small clipper. It's kind of similar to the Instincts in a sense of like the build, and I like this small clipper movement that I feel like that's happening right now. And so let's do a quick sound test. Yep. Nice and quiet, not too loud, right? Nothing is quieter than the JRLs. That's the most quietest clipper ever, and also has a USB-C charger in the back as well. So if you're out and about and you don't have your charger with you, you can easily plug in your USB-C. This clipper is goated. It's one of those ones, man, that's going to be around for years and years and years. It's up there with the Instinct. I definitely got to check out 360 Jeezy's clipper because they got the Echo blade on that joint too. This is my favorite blade. So without further ado, let's get to some footage of me cutting with them, and then we will wrap this review up. It's not a long review because I know y'all have seen things already, but I know I'm late. My bad. I'm back on my YouTube vibe, and so you're going to have a lot more videos coming. So let's get to some footage of me cutting with them. Let's see how they cut. you can see the size difference in the Instinct and the Saber. I also have the Black Masters, just so you guys can see the difference. You know, say these are much smaller than the Masters, right? So great tools. Sound test, these are way louder. Let's do the Masters real quick. So you can see. So overall, my favorite clipper right now is the Saber. I can't put it down. It blends so well. It fades really, really well. Love the guard system. Love the guards that these came with. I use the guards it came with. And I have no complaints, man. I have no complaints. Shout out to Stylecraft. Y'all keep elevating and making better tools. I know there was some controversy about this clipper. I think there was another version of the clipper that maybe this is a white label version of the clipper. I don't care about none of that. None of that matters to me. This is business, is part of it. So if they did white label it, it is what it is. I don't really care. I'm not gonna get into that. But I love this clipper, and I would encourage you guys to go grab it. This is one I could totally recommend. You know, I don't do reviews if I'm not using them myself. I'm not gonna review it, and I'm not getting sponsored. Nobody's paying me to say anything. This is my own opinion, so you guys can trust my channel and trust what I'm saying. Not that you can't trust other channels, but it's different when you're getting sponsored, right? So shout out to Stylecraft. Love this clipper. Thank you guys again for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. There's more videos on the way. Let's keep the community growing. I appreciate you guys. Thank y'all for just staying faithful and supporting the channel, man. I appreciate you guys. All right, talk to y'all soon in the next one. Peace.
Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Until then,
just chill to the next episode.
Dudecancut.com